machine learning systems so far have mostly been black boxes. People's understanding of those systems are rather still limited. So we try to throw in concrete examples so that students can see, without understanding why yet, how things could break down.
Right, so suppose we've done this tokenization step.
There's this amazing tool. It's an open source library called review.js. It's a JavaScript-based presentation tool. So I created them as HTML elements. And each one of them would have a unique ID so that it's very easy to identify which piece appears where on the next slide, making things move, making things isolated. It's almost like a movie transition scene, so that you still have a little bit of lingering memory of what just happened previously, so that you have your reference frame to do a little bit of callback when you see a new piece of information appear on the slide. I think it really makes a difference to show something concrete during a lecture that's, just directly out of the research field, even for an intro level class, because I think it motivates them to go explore on their own after class.
There's just so much material that is in the class and many different forms of ways that students can learn the material.
Everybody's busy, and IT students are especially overwhelmed with the number of classes that they're taking in addition to projects. So I thought this table could be really helpful in terms of at-a-glance information. We have drop-down menus of all the informations, the grading policies, how to get help, useful links, as well as how to get in touch with us. We typically have 400 to 450 students and anywhere between 50 to 60 staff members. So we just try to make things as accessible and as easy to find as possible for students, as well as for staff.
In the land of algorithms, we'll build our dream machine.
So the song itself, as well as the lyrics, they are all Gen AI. So it's kind of meta that I'm teaching machine learning, using machine learning to create a song to motivate machine learning.
She is the most energetic teacher that I know.
We call back, how come we are...
She puts a lot of heart into the course materials, but also she's very invested into her students as well. She puts a lot of effort into learning all of her students' names.
Nowadays, when the higher level stuff can be easily replaced by AI, I think the lower level, deep down, what makes us human? What are some of our fundamental pursuit? What are some of our fundamental motivation? Those perhaps can only be learned or received from human interaction.